Hi, let's continue working with leaves. Our leaves don't have thickness. They are one-sided. That's why we'll make double-sided material for them. Our stems are one-sided. Open the material. And now see how it works. We will disconnect this. I'll just make it into different colors for now. Use 3 key twice. Now we connect the layer mixing function. Let's plug it in here. Look here right away. This parameter is the outer side, this is the inner side. And so that it would be two-sided for us, connect the function. Here it is, turned on. Like this. And now we adjust the colors. Here we will make the outer side red. And let's make the inner one blue. Almost ready. But now in the material settings, it is necessary to connect the checkbox here. If you don't turn it on, it won't work, don't forget. Save and close. See? So let's continue. These colors are no longer needed. We remove them. Now we take our texture. We make a duplicate of it. And we make another duplicate. It's ready. Rename the texture right away. This is front_side. This is our back_side. Did now look. What other moment is there? Not all collections have a texture for the foreground and background of materials. How to solve this? By default, the back side will be a little lighter and the front part a little darker. Create 2 multipliers. Connect texture 1. And connect the second texture. Set the parameter of intensity. Let's call it front_power for brevity. Let's insert here. Set 1. And here 2. Back_power. Connected. So that our backside is lighter. Set the parameter to 1,2. And front 0,8 dot and connect. Save. Let's look at the result. Everything was applied. Everything is there. Now let's do the next thing. So that we can switch between double-sided and single-sided material, we use switch. So we are shifting it, we are breaking the connection. We connect the color correction settings of the material here. And now we will move this part a little further again. We can connect texture coordinates to these textures. And now we connect the static function, switch parameter static. Here it is. True. From here false. This one we connect in multiply. Done. Thus, when switching the checkbox, we will be able to switch between one-sided and two-sided material. Rename the parameter. Let's name it two-side _ one-side. Save. Look at our materials. And here's our switch. Done. Now we will need to refine the material a little. There's very little left. The first thing we will do is add a reflection setting. Press 3 and connect to specular. And add a parameter to control roughness. Well, let's do this way. Promote to parameter. Done. Now, so that we don't have chaos here, I'll comment on all of this now and distribute it into groups. Let's start. So now we change default lit material to two-sided foliage. Here we have the subsurface color parameter now. To make it works, we will do the following. First, create a multiply. Connect it here. Now we will create a SSS_intensity parameter. So plug it in B. Done. And we pull out multiply from here. Great. In the next video we will work with wind. Goodbye.